Welcome. If you're tired of your phone buzzing every time a Telegram channel posts an update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the quickest way to mute notifications from any Telegram channel, so you can enjoy peace and quiet without leaving the channel or missing out on important updates when you want them. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once the app is open, head to the channel that's sending you too many notifications. You'll find all your channels listed on the main chat screen. Just tap the one you want to mute. Now that you're inside the channel, look at the very top of your screen. You'll see the channel's picture or its name displayed there. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open the channel's profile page, where you can find more information and settings specific to that channel. On the channel's profile page, you'll notice a notification switch. This is the key to silencing those alerts. Simply toggle off the notification switch. Once you do, Telegram will stop sending notifications for new posts in this channel. You'll still be a member, and you can check updates anytime you want, but your phone will stay silent until you decide otherwise. If you ever change your mind and want to start receiving notifications again, just follow these same steps and toggle the switch back on. It's that easy. Muting channel notifications is a great way to keep your Telegram experience distraction-free while staying connected to the content you care about. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newfound peace.